This How to 1 Minute will show you how to play movie, video, audio files in VLC media player in iPhone. So first of all, you have to open your Files app, and for example, I want to play this audio in VLC. So I'm going to tapping and holding on this audio and tapping on share and selecting VLC. And as you can see, the audio is playing in VLC media player. And now let's see how to add or play a video or movie in VLC. To do that, you have to open your Photos app first, and now tap the video or movie which you want to play. Tap on the share at the bottom left, and we have to save the video to our file. So tap on Save to Files, select a folder, tap on Save. Once you save the video from your Photos app to Files, go to your Files and search for the video. So here's the video. Now tap and hold the video. Tap on Share, select VLC, and that's how you'll be able to play video or movie on VLC. And to add any audio, video or movie in your VLC media player, again go to Files, tap on this three dot at the top right, tap on Select, and we'll select those audios and videos files you want to add to your VLC. Tap on this folder icon and select VLC, tap on Move. After that, go to your VLC, and here you can see those files have been added here. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.